Ever wondered how you can profit from trading? Understanding the stock market and its intricacies is key to your success. In fact, the stock market isn't as intimidating as it might seem. It's a vast network of exchanges where shares of publicly held companies are issued, bought, and sold. It's a place where fortunes can be made and lost, where the bold and the cautious vie for profit. But how does one navigate this complex world? The answer lies in informed decision-making, trend analysis, risk management, and practical trading tips. First up, let's delve into understanding the stock market. The stock market operates on a system of supply and demand, and the primary way to achieve profit is by buying stocks at a low price and selling them at a higher price. However, the stock market is much more than just a marketplace for buying and selling stocks. It's a reflection of the economy. It's a place where companies raise capital for expansion, where investors seek profit, and where economic trends are studied. Understanding the stock market is not just about knowing the mechanics. It's about understanding its role in the economy and its impact on our lives. Next, we move on to analyzing trends. Trend analysis is a method of technical analysis that helps traders predict what will happen with a stock or market. It involves looking at past market data, primarily price and volume, to predict future performance. By identifying patterns and trends in the market, you can make informed decisions about when to buy or sell. Whether it's a bullish market, indicating an upward trend, or a bearish market, signaling a potential decline. Trend analysis gives you a window into the market's future. Let's not forget about making informed decisions. Successful trading isn't about making guesses. It's about making informed decisions. This involves researching the companies you're interested in, understanding the market conditions, and keeping up with financial news. It's about using the data at your disposal to predict how stocks will perform. Informed decisions come from a deep understanding of the market and a commitment to continual learning. Risk management is a crucial aspect of trading. No matter how much you study the market, there's always a level of risk involved in trading. However, successful traders know how to manage these risks. This could involve setting a budget, diversifying your portfolio, or setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. It's about understanding that while trading can be profitable, it can also lead to losses. Managing risks doesn't mean avoiding them. It means understanding them, planning for them, and mitigating them. Lastly, let's discuss some practical tips for successful trading. One of the most important tips is to have a trading plan and stick to it. This plan should detail your financial goals, risk tolerance, and trading strategies. Another key tip is to stay patient and disciplined. The stock market is unpredictable, and it's easy to let emotions take control. However, successful trading requires patience, discipline, and a level-headed approach. We've explored the world of trading today, from understanding the stock market and analyzing trends, to making informed decisions and managing risks. We've also shared some practical tips for successful trading. Remember, trading isn't just about making quick profits. It's about understanding the market, making informed decisions, and managing risks. It's a journey of continual learning and adaptation. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, there's always something new to learn in the exciting world of trading. Ready to embark on your trading journey? The stock market awaits.